Hello, welcome to another BCB video. In this video I will show you how I did this cute animal embroidery. So first you're going to draw your picture, then you are going to take a hoop and secure it. I will be using 3 colors. You will also need a needle and a pair of scissors. First we will do the outer line with black color. So this thread has 6 threads, and for the outer lines I will be using 2 threads. So just separate it and put it on through the needle and make a knot on one side of the thread. So for the whole outer lines we will be doing the back stitch. So first you're going to pull your needle like this, and then from the bottom of the work you are going to pull through and pin it back. Again, pull through and pin it back, and just repeat this step until you reach the end of the lines. Then you just make a knot on the back side of your work, and we will start with the inner lines. I am done with the outer lines, so now I'm going to start with the inner lines. I'm going to take just one thread, pull it through the needle and make a few knots. As you can see, for this chicken I used 2 threads, and for this fox I used 1 thread. So I think working with 1 thread is more pretty and more even, but it takes much longer. So you can do with 1, 2 or even more threads. As you can see, I'm just pulling it through left to right, and I will just repeat this step for the whole inner part of this piggy. When you start the second row, you want to pull your thread through the work, not just on the edge, but through the lines that you did, so you don't have holes in your piece. And just repeat this step. And now for the third color, I will just do this pink nose, and the rest of the pig I will do soft pink. And this is how it looks like in the end. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!